So maybe you're wondering, who is Mrs. Meyer, and is she even a real person? The answer is yes. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day household cleaners were inspired by Mrs. Thelma A. Meyer, an Iowan homemaker and mother of 9. Years later, one of her daughters had an idea. It came to her as she walked down the cleaning aisle, eyeing all the products with their conventional ingredients and sterile smells. There's got to be a better way, she thought. Right then and there, she made a decision. I'll make cleaners that smell nice, like my mom's garden, but they'll work like the absolute dickens on daily dirt and grime. No gloves or mask required. And so she did. She named her products after her very practical mom and the common sense values she passed along to her kids. And now, everyone who uses them discovers that a clean home can smell as good as it feels.